Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Foothill Oak Elementary School here in Vista, California. Beautiful day, beautiful weather, and got to speak to the after-school program students on the topic of bullying, looking at one's heart first. Just like you see your own best friend, that we show the same level of compassion that we show to our closest of people in our lives, and we see them for their heart first before anything else. And just like the shirt says here, for one race human, that we also see them as human beings first and foremost too. And it's not easy to do that, because that means we have to overcome some past pain and hurt in our hearts. And there were a few students that reached out to me after my talks today that were in tears, something emotional, some type of bullying that was going on in their life, but yet they're still choosing to move past that, to start to feel again, start to heal, and now become healed people that help to heal other people. And that's the sign of a true leader. There's signs of that all over this school, and being outside here, it's just really an honor to have gotten to get to meet some of these future leaders and current leaders and people that are going to keep spreading the peace. So I really appreciate that opportunity, getting to share my heart with all of you. And now you go out and you can have the courage and the strength to stand up for what's right and share your heart with other people too. They might be hurting, they might need somebody to lift them up higher than themselves, right? And so when we start to understand that we're all true miracles, understand our worth and value, then we help others see that too. And it starts right on the palm of our hands. We all have the letter M with the lines on our hand: M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, that we're worthy of love, to give it and receive it. And we always remember that, even if we forget that we never have to go this alone. We always have people that care about us, that are going to support us, that really truly love us, and they're as close to us as their heart. And so if we can look inside, start to heal that, and now go out and share that light, be the light to someone else's heart, then we're doing our job for this planet to make it a better place, a safer place, a more peaceful place. So again, great to meet all of you. Hope to see you again soon. Until then, keep sharing your hearts, keep spreading the light. Much love. Peace.